I'm the Staypuff Marshmallow Man. I got my booties on. Yes, they are trash bags. My site is called Cheaper Than Rent. I could have bought booties, but I was like, the Safeway bags will do just fine. Well, I got everything set up, and I'm getting ready to spray. Got my stuff here. Got it all taped up. So I'm just gonna look for my N95 mask that I have somewhere. Oh, it's over there. And my goggles. And I am going to start spraying the room. Actually, I'm going to start on the ceiling. I have to primer it because I just realized that the ceiling paint that I bought it doesn't have primer in it. The wall paint that I bought down here, this bare, I think I might have shown it before. I didn't realize that when I bought it, I went and told them the color I wanted. I just puffed up. It actually comes with paint and primer in one, so I am going to not do the walls. I was originally planning I was just going to primer the whole thing. So, my little. I'm going for it.